This video will show you how to dynamically set a pie chart title based on the user's profile language settings using the GetUserAttr function. In this example, we already have a pie chart displaying sales by region. Go to the Appearance panel and expand General. Now let's add a formula using the GetUserAttr function with the user locale attribute to dynamically change the chart title based on the user's language preference. Using this formula, if the user's locale is set to Spanish or French, the title will be displayed in that language. Otherwise, it will be shown in English. If we log in as a user with their language settings set to Spanish, the title will be displayed in Spanish. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.